August the 14th, an update on energy. We're looking at WTI crude, obviously been heading lower over recent weeks. We did get very oversold on the stochastic. This seems to have at least allowed the market to stabilise. We're trading within a range, so it's a case of trading the levels while we wait for a breakout. The longer this goes on, the more likely it's going to be just a continuation pattern. We'll go sideways, we'll allow this oversold stochastic to unwind itself, and then eventually we'll break lower and prices will continue down. That seems the most likely scenario. If we do manage to break above the recent highs of the range, which we've got on our report, if you need to refer to them, well, we've got obvious resistance up around the 99.50, 99.80 area. That's going to be the big challenge. I'd be very surprised to see us through there at this stage. If we do manage to get that high, then the oversold stochastic will be nicely unwound, and I've got a feeling the bear trend would then resume. Brent crude, however, is a little bit more positive. We did have a big spike down the day before yesterday. Yesterday we did have a good recovery, and that's quite a positive candle there. So we did get the bounce that we looked for. That's good, and I think we can continue that and unwind this oversold stochastic, crawl higher. Whether we get a huge rally, well, I'm not necessarily expecting that, but I certainly think that we've done enough on the downside for now, and perhaps, like WTI crude, will at least stabilise and go sideways, if not try a little recovery to the upside. Nat gas has been extremely good to us this week. We did reach our target around the 4,000 area. That did hold. We did enter shorts, and we did manage to ride at least some of that move down yesterday. It did drop further than I'd expected. I didn't necessarily see that huge drop coming to take out a whole week's worth of gains in a day. But nevertheless, we did expect it to peak out up there, and at least that did happen. So now it's a question of, do we test the July lows, and a break below that would keep this bear trend going. Does look like the most likely scenario. Certainly wouldn't be ruling out a test of the July lows anyway. We'll see what happens there, but I would be concerned that we will break lower now.